So what are we doing?
Making slime.
What do we have?
Some foam, I think. Sticky glue.
What do we have?
Baking soda.
Hmm.
A slime.
Glue.
Glue. And then activator. It's not
Contact lens.
Yes. Yes. Second.
So what is the first step?
To get some glue in the bowl. Can I put it in?
One whole bottle.
Mama.
Okay, now
Now we have to put some baking soda.
half teaspoon of baking soda. Anisa, go.
Yeah.
Put it in.
And then I'll mix it.
1.5 tablespoon of contact lens.
Yes.
So where is our tablespoon? Here. Fill this up. 1 whole tablespoon.
Mama, I'm gonna put it in.
Full 1 tablespoon.
Full all this.
Fill it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. To the top. Okay, good. And then
Mama,
half.
I'm gonna put it in.
And then fill this up, but Anisa's gonna put it in.
What?
1.5 tablespoons. So
Again? Put it in.
where's our tablespoon? Half tablespoon. You know what? Let's do half of this. This is teaspoon. Half of this. Okay, put it in.
Mother, mix.
Mix it all up. Keep going, keep going.
Mama, put yellow and red food coloring in. She just put it on me, Mama.
Almost.
Not
Hold
really
the
good.
hold the bowl, Parisa.
I just want to mix it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Mom,
Almost there. Can you see? Hold on to the bowl, Parisa. Oh, it's so stiff.
it's glue, Mom. It's all glue.
Uh-oh, Anisa. Ryan.
Mama.
Hmm.
Hold the bowl, Mama. Ouch. See?
Ryan.
Uh-oh. I'm getting him. Ah!
Anisa.
Mom, I need to put it on my skin.
Okay, we're done. Bye. Bye.